Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We have a brand new Sesame Street toy called Elmo's Learning Letters. And this case is shaped like a school bus. And there's even an Elmo button. Let's push it and see what happens. Uh-oh, it's not working. We're going to have to check the batteries. All right, let's open this up and listen to the sounds and learn the alphabet together. Here comes the school bus. With a little bit of work, we finally got it out of the packaging. We had a little trouble with the batteries, but we've replaced them and now Elmo should work. Let's open up the school bus and have a look inside. Oh, look at all of the letters. It's just like our Cookie Monster and Elmo cases. And there's even Cookie Monster and Abby and some shelves so that you can spell words using the letters. Ready to sing the alphabet with me, tiny fans? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, now let's turn Elmo on and see what he has to say.
Elmo, it's so happy to see you.
We're happy to see you, Elmo.
We can learn together. C is for Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster loves sharing his cookies with Elmo.
Here's C for Cookie Monster.
B is for Bert. Bert loves to read.
Which letter does Bert start with? B for Bert.
Elmo loves learning with you. Press Elmo's button. K is for kite. Kites are fun to fly at the park.
K for Kite.
V is for violin. A violin is played with a bow.
V is for violin. It's a beautiful sounding musical instrument. One. Let's keep learning.
Elmo's button.
Let's press Elmo's button. Well, thank you so much for learning with us today, tiny fans. It's always fun to open new toys, and thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.